Hi, Peter here from Coachwood Nursery and Organics. It's the beginning of March and I'm showing you turmeric. You can grow your own turmeric on the Central Coast, New South Wales, Sydney and even further south. And it's one of the best foods, healthy foods and medicinal foods you can ever get. So I'm going to demonstrate a little bit more about this as the season progresses. This is the middle of summer or end of summer. They're in full growth. You harvest these in the middle of winter, and the important part about turmeric is making sure the soil is healthy and doesn't dry out. You can see this is a beautiful, rich organic soil, well mulched, and it's an annual process. It takes 12 months. It's a cyclic thing. So if you want to keep posted on our website and come to the nursery and the gardens, we'll demonstrate how to grow it, and you can grow your own turmeric. And believe me, fresh turmeric chopped up and cooked is so much better than buying it powdered and dry. So keep posted and come out and we'll show you how to grow it.